My name is Shravya. I am studying in first standard. My school name is San Philomena's High School. My name is Sanvita. I am studying in first standard. My school name is San Philomena's High School.
My name is Anvish. I am studying in first standard.
My school name is
Salsminamina.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Namaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Variyar, Tamilamarini, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Gomateshwara Statue in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Kolar Sun Temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Five sense organs.
Five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Five different faces of the moon.
Five different faces of the moon: full moon, gibbous moon, crescent moon, half moon, new moon.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwija, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna.
Religions in India.
Religions in India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Main agricultural products.
Main agricultural products: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, milk.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkamallapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada,
Lord Vishnu,
Dashavatara Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Atlantica, Australia.
Kings of Karnataka,
Kings of Karnataka, Pulakeshi, Vishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Vayoravarma, Amoghavarsha, Madagari Nayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Keladi Channamma, Vanake Vabhava, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Durga Bai.
Durga